What's 1 3/4 divided by 2? Do that.
You're fine though, dude. 0.875.
Okay. 0.104 times 75.
7.8.
Okay, do 7.8 divided by 2.
3.9.
Okay.
Not gonna lie, I have no idea what the fuck's going on.
How's it going, guys? It's actually like day 9, but it's day 2. Okay, so here's why it took so long to get to day 2. So pretty much, we had a very steep learning curve about figuring out how to use the tube bender, and basically bent the first U-strap I had, which is what secures the tube to the bender so it can be pulled through the radius die. So I was just waiting for my new U-strap to get here. But I know what I did wrong, so we're good now. We just finished up bending the main hoop, and now we're bending the shock supports. So let me show you what I got here. So here's how this works, as for if any of you guys are interested in tube bending math. So pretty much, I find my center point where I want my bend to be, okay? We did that on the truck earlier. And then I did a notching offset because that end is going to be notched, so it'll be pushed in a little bit. And then from there, so for a 6-inch centerline radius die, for every degree of bend, you lose like 0.104 inches of tubing. So
basically,
none of you are
English,
watching anymore.
you just fucking bend the and then you get a degree, and then you fucking weld it on.
So it's like trial and error.
Yeah, basically you just fucking build it, and then you weld it, and then you have it built. That cannot feel good.
Did somebody piss here?
Oh, it rained? I don't know, man.
Cade?
I didn't be there, man.